Experiencing data problems with your Walmart Family Mobile service? You're not alone. Many users face intermittent data connectivity issues, slow speeds, or complete internet outages. The good news is that many of these problems can be resolved with a few simple troubleshooting steps. This video will focus on the most common fixes: checking your APN settings, performing a network reset, and toggling your 5G LTE settings. According to a 2025 survey, 40% of prepaid users experience monthly data issues. We will provide a step-by-step guide to address these challenges effectively and get you back online. Start with the easiest solutions first and escalate to more advanced steps if needed. Checking your APN settings is one of the first steps. Here's how it looks on Android devices. Performing a network reset can clear cached data and restore defaults. Toggling between 5G and LTE can help when signals are weak. You can access many settings quickly through your device's quick settings. First, access point name settings. APN settings tell your phone how to connect to the mobile network. For Walmart Family Mobile, ensure your APN is correctly set to wholesale. Incorrect APN settings prevent data access. On Android, go to Settings, Mobile Networks Access Point Names. On iOS, check carrier information or update profile. Correcting APN can improve speed significantly. Next, perform a network reset. This clears cached data and restores default network settings without erasing personal info. On Android, Settings General Management, Reset Network Settings. On iOS, Settings General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. Network reset often restores stable connections. Finally, toggle between 5G and LTE. If in an area with weak 5G signals, switching to LTE provides a more stable connection. Go to Settings, Mobile Data Options, Voice and Data, and select LTE. Experts say 70% of data issues are resolved by toggling. Toggling can restore service within minutes, as shown in case studies. If these steps don't work, contact Walmart Family Mobile Support for further assistance.